love you. Hi, I'm Kelly from Freebie Finding Mom, and this is my son Ian. And today we're going to make a DIY teacher gift for his teachers. And why are we doing that?
Because they are really nice.
Because they're really nice. And also because Teacher Appreciation Week is coming up starting May the 6th. So I was on Pinterest, and what I'll say is I was looking for fun, homemade teacher gift ideas. Thank you, buddy. And because to be honest, I wanted to give them money, but because I usually do gift cards and that sort of thing, I wanted to give them money, but I wanted it to be more personal and show that we put some real thought into it. So I was on Pinterest looking for ideas, wasn't I? And I came across this one, and it was actually is a little bit different, but it had some similarities to what we're doing. So anyway, so what I saw that I loved was this this one that basically was using kids' hands to make the branches of a tree, and at the top they had thank you. Yeah, we haven't done that part yet. We're going to finish doing that. And at the top it says, I had Ian write, "Thank you for helping me grow." You can see I had him do that. I've got a couple up here. "Thank you for helping me grow." And we're going to finish the tree now. So he's done that. And I want to put I'll put like some money at the bottom. Like I'm going to like tape a $20 bill or something at the bottom. So what I want Ian to also do is to write like money tree at the bottom too. So they get that helping me grow, like a money tree, and then money at the bottom. Thank you, sweetie. Thank you.
I need to tell you something.
Okay.
Someone at soccer practice, they kicked a ball on my ear.
Oh, sorry that happened. Somebody at soccer practice kicked a ball in his ear. But he's here to do his craft, right? You want to say hi? Hi. Okay. So like I said, he's already worked hard on 9 of the branches, or 9 of the trunks, and then the wording at the top, he's written, "Thank you for helping me grow." And now we're going to do the putting his hands in some paint. And thank you, buddy. Putting his hands in paint. And we're just going to use this Crayola finger paints, which in full disclosure, I probably have had for, I don't know, 3 years. But
6 years.
Not 6 years. You were only 6. So it wouldn't be 6 years. But we're just going to use some finger paints, and we're going to dip his hands in those. And that's going to...
5 years?
Huh?
5?
Not quite 5 years, but probably like 3.
6.
Or 6. Okay.
Because the years are 6.
Yeah, you are 6, that's right. So anyway, so we're going to go ahead and put some paint in these trays, and we're going to dip his hands in them, and then we're going to finish off our branches for our trees for our teachers. And by the way, if you will, I'll put it in there. Thank you, buddy. If you will, if you want some additional inspiration of teacher gift ideas, be sure to check out the link in this post where I share 25 other DIY teacher gift ideas that you can make with your kids. And for, like I say, Teacher Appreciation Week, or a lot of these ideas would also be great for the end of the school year too. So just as a nice thank you for your teachers, for the kids as teachers. Okay, so I know he's been waiting with bated breath to do this paint. So we're going to get started on the painting right now. So like I said, we're just using a Crayola finger paint for this. All right, are you ready? All right.
It's like number 2.
Yeah. All right. What do you want to say about your teachers while we're doing this?
They're really nice.
They're really nice.
And how does that even splatter out?
It's because it has air in it, because it's been around for quite some time. Okay, so do you want to use all 4 colors? We're using red, blue, I guess do we want to use green and yellow, all of them? All the colors. Okay.
I don't want to make
Like I said, what I'm doing out is just squeezing some finger paint into these trays. Ian's going to dip his hands into the trays and make handprints to serve as the branches of the tree. Thank you, buddy. You making room? Thank you, Ian. So I will show you after he's done dipping his hands in. There's the yellow paint going in. I will show you what it looks like after he's dipped his hands in. And if you're just joining us, thank you, sweetie. Just wait. What I'm going to do is line this up better so that you can actually have access to all of them at one time. Can I turn this down a little bit so you guys can see it better? And move this up. This might be even better. There you go. It's kind of better. I kind of don't want to get paint on it, but there. We'll kind of move it up a little. It's going to be hard to see. But anyway, so is that better? Actually, it's better to be further away. There we go. All right.
Hi.
Hi. You want to say hi, Nana?
Hi, Nana.
Hi, Nana. Okay. So right now, you're going to go ahead and
Dip it in the green.
Yeah, make sure we get your hand covered all the way so that we go ahead and get a nice handprint in. Get your hand really in there, okay? I know you love sensory things like this, don't you? Okay. Again, if you're just joining us, you can also find more inspiration at Freebie Finding Mom, where I have 25 DIY teacher gift ideas. All right, and go ahead and maybe we'll do it like this. Spread your fingers so they look like branches. There you go. There you go. And don't move it. Don't move it. Right there. There you go. And then lift straight up. Okay, that's one. All right, so that hand is green. So over here, I'll show you kind of what Ian just did here. I know. There's kind of the one side of the branch. That looks good, Ian. Okay, so can I have your other hand? And once these hands are dipped in paint, we're going to leave them up, right? We're not going to go touching the chair anymore. Let's do red with this other one, okay? And remember, don't move your hands around too much, buddy, okay? Once we get them on the paper, because you want to see the fingers prints, okay? Okay, ready? Shake off the excess. Hands straight down. Pick it up. Oh, cute. That looks good. Okay, keep your hands up. All right, I'll show you what he just did. So as you can see, oh, that looks so good, Ian. So at the top it says, he wrote at the top, thank you for helping me grow. And then his handprints are the branches. And then the trunk, he just colored himself. And then we're gonna go ahead and move on to a few more. Red and green. Keep it over the towel, please. Thank you. And then, all right.
It's kind of hard.
Okay, well, that's fine. I guess you mixed them, but let's try not to mix them. Okay, so put that one back in the green. We'll switch to the other color in a little bit here. So again, this is in recognition for Teacher Appreciation Week, which is coming up starting May the 6th. Let's put this one like this. Keep your fingers, oh, good. Thank you. Oh, Ian, that one's better even. We're getting better as we go. Okay.
I told you.
Yeah. All right, let's do another one here. Red hands, there we go. I would love to hear out there where you guys are viewing in from. Put your hand down, please, buddy. Like that. Flat the hand. Don't move it once it's down. 1, 2, 3. Up. Where you're viewing from. Also, if you will, share in the comments kind of some of the...
Oh.
That's okay. That's all right. Teachers love creative mistakes. Where you're viewing in from. And also...
That's even better.
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. So this one, you dropped a little bit on there. It still looks super cute. And just keep it over the towel. And kind of what other crafts you've done with your kids.
Oh, I should not mix it up.
What other crafts you've done with your kids for teacher gifts. Okay, be careful, okay? I'll put some more paint if we need it, but keep that hand over that one, and then we'll do the green one more time here. I think we still have plenty of green here. Okay, here we go. All right, nicely saturated. Down, okay, and spread the fingers. Okay, straight down, don't move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ian, did you tell everybody what grade you're in?
Mm-hmm.
Just wait.
Kindergarten.
Kindergarten. Who's your teacher? Who's your homeroom teacher?
Mr. Berto.
Mrs. Well, I know what it is, but they don't know. And so we're making her one along with, what other teachers are we? Oh, Ian, this is the best one yet. Oh, that looks cute. Another idea I saw on Pinterest was instead of making trees, you can make flowers with the same, tag at the top. Thanks for helping me grow. Okay. Do you want to switch to different colors now? I know your hands are still a mess, but do you want to just dip them in the other ones? And
Yeah, but what?
do you want to wipe that off first? It's okay if we have more than one color, Ian, I think. It's fine. Okay, so let's just wipe that off and try to get some of it off. It's fine if some of it's still on. But he's also making them for his art teacher and music teacher, and it's okay, Ian. It's not a big deal. It's okay if they mix. His art teacher, music teacher, PE teacher, basically, and then the bottom of the paper, like I said, we're going to put some money at the bottom, so like a $20 bill or something.
Yeah,
We'll
it's
put the
right
bottom.
on your hand.
It's okay. It's washable paint. That's the only thing I would ever use. Okay, washable. All right, so let's switch colors real quick. We just did a few with that color combination. We can go back to it, but let's go ahead. We can still use more, but let's try the blue. I just want to see what the blue and yellow look like.
Blue and yellow.
Here we go. In goes the blue with, I'm sure, some green on it. Okay, just wait. All right, you've got it. All right, spread the fingers. Down. Whammo. Up you go. Ooh, I like the blue, Ian. Okay.
But how did it stick up?
It's okay. It's okay. All right, ready? We're going to try the yellow. Yellow. It's okay. Going down. I'll get it. I have a paper towel right here. Okay, lift straight up. Oh, Ian, this is good. Let's show everybody this. I like the blue yellow, too. So again, this
Can I mix it up again?
There's that.
Whoa, look at these rainbow.
Okay, let's
Can
get
I
them over
mix
the
it
towel.
up? Can I mix it up, Mama?
That's fine. Whatever. Just keep it over the towel. Okay. So again, we're making this DIY teacher gift idea for Teacher Appreciation Week. A lot of these crafts that I share on the blog, in that link that you'll see in the header, can also be made for end of school as well. And some of them, to be honest, can be made for back to school too. So, but a lot of these, do you have enough paint on it?
Go please.
But a lot of these can be made with your kids, which is the best part. Like, especially for those of us like myself who have little to no DIY skills. These that involve kids are, I think, more fun to do. Okay, straight up. And they just show that you put some effort in, and it's just something thoughtful to do for your kids as teacher. Hello, Ian. Oh, hey, Lori. Looks like you're having fun. Yes, I would say Lori is said it looks like you're having fun. Are you having fun, Ian?
Yes.
Yes, you are, for sure. Anything involving paint or making a mess? She said it looks like you're having fun.
Gosh.
Oh my gosh, that's right. Oh, Lori, Minnesota. How's the weather there? My goodness. I mean, it seems I have a friend that moved to around that area that seemed like you guys were having never-ending winter. Just wait. And we're here in Maryland, and I will say it's finally now, knock on something wood, looks like it's turning warmer now, hopefully, right? Okay, do you have enough paint? Let's do this one first. Let's go like this. No, do like that. Boom. Straight up. Looks good, buddy. Okay. Oops. All right. Minnesota. Thank you, Laura. Yes. Okay. Another one down. Yeah. Oh, be careful. Paint's everywhere. So remember.
Paint's everywhere.
Well, just be careful. I see it splatter. So how many did you say we're making for your teachers, Ian?
9.
9. That's right. 9 for your teachers. Because you're making them for everybody, not just your homeroom teacher, right? And then we're going to put some money at the bottom as just a little thank you gift for all the Thank God it's washable. We'll have to hose ourselves down after this. Let's put some more paint on because I want to make sure we have enough for this, right?
Yeah, like to me.
And like I said, if you will, please comment. Also, like, what are some crafts you've done with your kids in the past for teachers? Because I'm always looking for other ideas. I love mason jar gifts, which, by the way, if you're not familiar, I have another blog, masonjarbreakfast.com, that
I'm gonna spot
where I share more ideas. Don't spot it. I'll be right with you, sweetie. I'll be right with you. Okay, I know. Like, let me see.
They're all gonna fall right
They're not gonna fall. Just give me a second. I'm checking something here really quick. I'm gonna make sure that I'm not missing anybody.
Splatter. It's like the one.
50, 70s by Monday. Awesome. Okay, so you really 70s by Monday, Lori. That'll be nice. Finally, it feels like spring is here. I love spring. Like, I just was afraid we would go. Okay.
No, I didn't dip it.
You didn't dip it? Oh, you didn't. Okay, so dip it in the blue. I was afraid we would go straight from winter to summer, and I'm glad to see that it's still really mild, especially today, which is nice, so that we can get out and hopefully ride bikes later. Yeah, go ahead. It's okay. Did you get it? No. Okay. All right. And like I said, at the very end, we got only a couple more to do. Ah, there we go. I'm digging this blue and yellow combination. Okay, let's be careful with that. And then, like I said, at the very end. It's okay. This is an old towel. I don't care about the towel. Okay. That's fine. Well, I care about the towel, but so okay. Just be careful. Okay, so go ahead and dip your hands in. We have 2 more to do. Dip your hands in.
Yeah.
1 up. What do you want to say about your Mrs. Liberto?
They're really nice.
She is really nice. And she's very, very, very patient. Every time I volunteer in that classroom, I kid you not, I realize how I could never be a teacher. And I also realize how incredible people are who are teachers. Like, they're, especially for little kids, I don't know. They are a special person that can be a teacher, especially to little people. Right, Ian? Hand down. I give them lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of credit. So the least we can do is make a nice homemade gift for them and give them a little money, right? Or a lot of money. There we go. Up. Beautiful. Okay, that one was... Okay, be careful with that. All right, that's the last one. So thank you for watching. Like I said before, if you will, please do me a favor and leave your... Okay, very nice, Ian. If you will, do me a favor and please leave your comments down there of any teacher gift. Okay, this is just here. Keep it on top. Teacher gifts that you've made with your kids in the past that have worked out really well. Like I said, I'd like to do... I touched the camera. I've got paint on my hands. I like to do... okay, there we go. I like mason jar gift ideas too, but...
There's some paint on the floor.
I'll get it. It's washable. There's some paint on the chair too. Just don't put your head in it.
What?
It's okay. But I like to do mason jar gifts too, but I oftentimes like to do gift cards and money along with it. So I try to come up with something homemade to go with the money or the gift card, so it shows that, you know,
I'm painting.
do something a little more personal for the teachers. So like I said, please do me a favor and head over to Freebie Finding Mom. You can click on the link in the post. I'll also put it in the comments for more DIY inspiration. Your daughter's a teacher. Oh, that's great. Julian goes, they have to be incredibly patient. I kid you not. I was just there volunteering again last week. Thank goodness Crayola makes washable. I was just there last week, and I go again on Monday to volunteer. And they are like, I tell his teacher every single time after I leave, thank you so much for everything you do, and I don't know how you do it, because
Let me show Daddy.
they're pulled in a million directions. No, just wait, not to tell Daddy yet.
Dad, look
And
at
it's really
me.
incredible that they can actually get as much accomplished as they do in a classroom when it seems so chaotic, but yet they still have it under control. But anyways, so that was our little DIY teacher gift idea. Hope you love it. Check out the other 25 more DIY teacher gifts on Freebie Finding Mom. And thank you so much for watching. What do you want to say?
Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Rainbow hair.
Rainbow hands, pretty much. I have paint on mine. I have paint on mine. Thank you, Laura. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Bye.